Welcome to my playground, Canyon Lake. Pulled off on the side of the road to fill you in if you're new here. We got the AMS intake, carbon fiber pieces, Marin tuned, race downpipe. Just put the H&R lowering springs on. We got the full satin PPF from Cactus Tint. I have some 360 camera footage today, so that's there. We have the Made Motorsports titanium catback with the 5-inch tip. This thing sounds incredible. It's the closest thing to a 2JZ in my opinion for the Mark V Supra. Just makes it super deep. It's got a resonator too as well, so it's just a great overall catback. We have wheels and tires on the way. About the end of the life of the rear tires, so I can't push it too hard today, but we can give you a glimpse of what it's like to drive this car and have some fun with it and listen to the amazing sound of the B58. Comment down below if you enjoyed driving videos like this with the Supra, and we'll do some more. Let's get to it. Insta360 sent this camera out to me to try out to rig on the back of the Supra. They actually set me up as an affiliate as well, and they have a lot of new technology coming out. I'm a camera nerd at heart, so if any of you ever buy anything Insta360 and you enjoy the content and you want to get a discount, like right now there's like $50 off I think on this camera right now. I'll have that link in the description. That's a good way to support the content and save some money in the process. Here's what it looks like. It looks like a video game. Quick message really quick. On CarmerSpeed.com we just launched a 2004 Honda Civic Si giveaway, and why we're doing this is the most important thing: to transform and give away a fun car to help someone in need and inspire action in every garage. So we wanted to do a super relatable transformation, rendered to reality series, and then we're manifesting and hoping that this car gets to someone who needs it to get them from A to B that didn't have a method of doing that before, or is having a car that's giving them problems, and this would take a lot of stress off their back and send them on a trajectory of new wins. We want to give you the opportunity as in the automotive community to rally behind something that would change one person's life in a super dramatic way and then share that story with you. If you go to CarmerSpeed right now, whether you need some new gear like a hat, a shirt, I still have a bunch of new stuff on the way to my house right now, or you need car parts you're already going to buy, or the easiest thing you can do is get an iPhone wallpaper if you just want to support the cause on a really budget friendly way. Apple Pay, that's super quick. That's a way to be a part of this and potentially win the car, so you can give it to someone that you know that needs a car, or if you need a car yourself. All the above gets you entered. CarmerSpeed.com. It's going down till the end of the year. Thanks so much. I'm excited for this story to unfold, and you can be a part of it, and I hope you want to be a part of it. Let's get back into the episode driving the Supra. up so you have a little bit better of an angle now of the road. Driving with the 360 camera on the back and this GoPro in front of my eyes, it's kind of hard because I'm just making sure that 360 camera on the back doesn't go bye-bye, and I know where it fell off if it does, but it shouldn't. Man, I love this system. Gotta be careful here. Catching up to this car for the like 4th time. It's like 2 90-year-olds just enjoying their day. Can't hate on it. Well, let's take the time to show you what EcuTech can do on the app with Marin. It's kind of crazy. So we can do a Burble adjustment on the fly. I know a lot of people hate it, but it's just an option. It's something to talk about. I run it all the way 0, so don't hate. I get it, but let's turn it all the way up. I'm scared. Turn the duration down. Little cringe, let's go down about halfway. So like I can see how some people would like it a little bit, like I have the duration on real short. If we do it real long, let's turn it down a little bit. It's down a lot. It's kind of cool. It's nice to be able to adjust it. So it's just a conversation starter, you know? It's like, hey boys, check this out. Freaking turn it all the way up. Boom, boom. And then they're like, wow. Well, let's just go a little bit. That's kind of tasteful. I'll turn it up just a little bit. We'll drive for a sec like this for anyone out there who kind of likes it. Go to first. Alright, I'm over it. It's like a party trick. Now it's clean. And then if I put it in like regular non-sport mode, the shifts get real kind of tame, but the decels get real clean like an old 2J. But if it was automatic, see, real clean. Throw it in sport mode, has a little bit of, oh, let's turn it off. Such a fun car. If you enjoyed this video and it's the first time on my channel, check out this install right here where we installed the titanium catback. This thing sounds crazy, and we have some clips from the outside that are crisp, clean, and super satisfying.